In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can buy iCloud storage for your iPhone. This is essential for safeguarding your data and ensuring seamless functionality across your Apple devices. With iCloud Backup, you can securely store your valuable photos, videos, documents, and settings, protecting them from loss or damage. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It's the easiest and best way. Log into your iCloud account on iCloud.com. On your homepage, tap on this grid right here. You will then select on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. On this page, just click on this link right here. You will then have to choose on the storage space you wish to purchase. Select and tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. You will directly get to the payment page. You can either use Apple Pay, PayPal, or your credit or debit card. Having ample iCloud storage enables you to store more files without worrying about running out of space on your device, and it facilitates effortless syncing across all your Apple devices. That's how easy it is to buy iCloud storage on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.